Hey guys, you're watching Katie Crafts. 2019 is finally upon us. This is my 4th time making a Perler Bead collection video like this. And if you've seen one of those before, you know how this will go. I like to make a summary video every new year showing you guys what I made in the year before. And in 2018, although I didn't make as many projects as I would have liked to, I still made something, which is better than nothing. And I'm so glad that some of you guys joined along and watched these videos throughout the year, especially the one where I got to visit Art Cal Bead headquarters and show you the inner workings of a fuse bead warehouse. That one was super fun, and if you haven't seen it, it's right up there. 2018, it was pretty fun, but it was also busy because of school. And in the summertime, I also chose to do some volunteering and shadowing my mentors. And we also hit 37,000 subscribers, which is crazy to think about. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I wouldn't be able to do it without you guys watching. There's a lot more fun with you guys, and I'm glad you're here for the ride. So let's check out what we made in 2018, and hopefully there will be more in 2019. We started the year off with some DIY Perler Bead pencil holders that I customized into a retro video game theme, and also encouraged you guys to change into whatever theme you guys wanted. I've been using this since the start of school to hold all my pens, highlighters, and pencils in my dorm room. And I made a second one with my cutie mini animals that I gave to my grandma. She actually uses this to hold her keys, so it's really useful for her, and I hope you guys made these useful for yourselves. I made some QR codes that you can actually scan if you pause the video right here and take out your phone. Go scan it! This will go under my collection of awesome memories, and this is visiting Art Cal's warehouse and headquarters, where I saw so many millions and millions of fuse beads all around me, and I even got to package my own bag of 1,000 Art Cal fuse beads. Such a cool experience that I was lucky enough to have, and thank you to Art Cal for inviting me over and letting me go there, as well as giving me an entire set of mini beads that I can't wait to try out, as well as these box sets and so many different supplies. I also added some fancy and beautiful Art Cal Bead Peking opera characters to my collection. These are so cute, and whoever made these, great job. Then to test out some of these mini beads, I played around with them and made some mini bead rainbow nails just for fun, and also I did different color sets to try out just to see if it's possible to make nails using fuse beads, and it is. For the first time, I tried doing one of my followers' Perler Bead projects, and this is Ray Galaxy 2000's Minecraft parrot that is so adorable. I made a modified version here using mini beads that requires less glue, and it was so fun to try out somebody else's design and see how it turned out. It was great, so good job to Ray Galaxy. I needed to organize some of my earphones that I had lying around, so I made a Koya, Dachshund, Master Ball, Miraculous Ladybug's Miraculous that can actually spin, and a piano to hold all of these earphones. Using some UV Art Cal beads, I made some sprites that look clear at first but will change color under the sunlight. I made Halloween headbands, including a Minecraft sword, cat ears from snow, and a sprout. And for Christmas, I finally made these nutcrackers that I've been planning since last year, and I gave this purple one to my grandma. Before I went to China, I made some mini Perler Bead sprites that I brought everywhere I went and took lots of cool pictures that you can find on my Instagram. I also used up my red and white mini beads to make this Canada flag on Canada Day, and also this Mario mushroom that I learned from Speed Beads tutorial. I also made this Perler Bead cinema box that actually lights up, and I made this in August. I just didn't have time to edit the video, so you will see that coming soon. Just stay tuned, subscribe, and this will be a really fun project to try out. And lastly, I wanted to give an honorable mention to the pixel crafts I made using water beads. Still like Perler Beads better, but this was still a fun and cool thing to try. So that's it for my updated Perler Bead collection of 2018. I hope you guys liked some of them, and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. When you think about it, 2019, I think I started posting videos consistently in 2015, so it's been like 4 years. That's the amount of time people spend in high school and university. If you were in grade 9 and you started watching my videos in 2015, then that means you're gonna graduate. Oh my god. I can't believe that we are at 37,000 subscribers. I think when I was in high school, I thought 10,000 was it. That was already great and amazing. So thank you guys so much for your support and for watching these videos. Even though I upload really inconsistently, I will try to make some newer kinds of videos and maybe try a different format or like different ways to spice up my videos. I also really want to try vlogging. I have a second channel, it's called Turtle Tang. That's where I post vlogs and some old videos that and that one video of my turtle, so you can go check that out. And hopefully this year I will finally be able to start up some vlogs, which I've been very excited to do ever since 2015. I've just been a terrible procrastinator and haven't finally gotten to do it, but this will be the year. I will try. I also want to set up a studio room in my house so I can film in there and make my crafts in there instead of my own bedroom, which is kind of a mess, as you can see. But anyway, thank you guys so much for an awesome 2018, and here's to a better 2019. Happy New Year, and see you guys next time with another cutie craft.